Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: in what way does teamwork make work more significant? Multiple choice. It centralizes authority so workers do not have to make decisions. Team members have less authority so they can relax. Team get to work on fast moving assembly lines. Team members contribute to quality and assume many activities traditionally reserved for managers. Teams spare employees from having to work directly with customers. And the answer of the question is: the way teamwork makes work more significant is D. Teams members contribute to quality and assume many activities traditionally reserved for managers. Teamwork allows members to contribute to the quality of work and assume various responsibilities that were traditionally reserved for managers, thereby making work more significant and meaningful. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.